Everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice exponential problem, and here we have 16 to the power of x plus 20 to the power of x is equal to 20 to the power of x, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here we will divide both sides by 25 to the power of x, so that this expression will becomes in this form over 25 to the power of x. So these are gone, and after that we will apply here the nice exponential law. And you know that if we have a over b to the power of m, so it is equals to a to the power of m over b to the power of m. So now I can apply here this exponent law, and we will just combine the exponent of these two terms and the two terms also, so that it will become 16 over 25 to the power of x plus 20 over 25 to the power of x is equal to 1. After that we will again rewrite the term 60 over 25 as we can write 16 as 4 square and 25 as 5 square and its whole power x plus, now we can cancel out these terms, so we can cancel in the table of 5. So 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So here we get 4 over 5 to the power of x is equal to 1. So now we can again combine the exponent of these two terms, and we will write it as 4 over 5 square and its whole power x plus 4 over 5 to the power of x is equal to 1. After that we will again apply here another important exponent law, and which is about a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times of n is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So it means that we will, if we can interchange these two exponents, so it will gives us the same answer, which is a to the power of m times of n. So we can interchange these two exponents, and it will becomes 4 over 5 to the power of x and its whole square plus 4 over 5 to the power of x is equal to 1. So after that we can take here y is equal to 4 over 5 to the power of x. So after putting this value, so over this exponential equation will becomes in quadratic form, so it will be written as y square plus y is equal to 1. So now we can solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 1. So now when we take this one to the right hand side, left hand side, so it will become minus 1. So that the quadratic formula is y is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2 times of a. So now we can put the values of a, b and c here, so it will become minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 times of 1 into minus 1. So after that we will get the roots in the form of y is equals to which is the value of a is 1. So here we have two roots, which is minus 1 and plus minus. Here you have minus minus plus, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. So when we can break these two roots, and we can write it as minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and here we have y is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. So now we can back substitute the value of y, which is 4 over 5 to the power of x, and it will becomes 4 over 5 to the power of x is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2. And when we substitute the value here, so it will becomes 4 over 5 to the power of x is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So here first I will discuss this case, and in that case in the left hand side you have exponential function, and which is always gives us the positive value, and in the right hand side we have negative terms. So the positive and negative terms cannot be equals to each other, so we will rejected this case and we will just proceed here this case only. So in this case we will take the natural log on both of the sides, so that it will becomes. So I can solve the other case here, and now we will take the log on both of the sides. So this expression will becomes log of 4 over 5 to the power of x is equals to log of minus 1 square root of 5 over 2. So here I can apply the property of logarithm, and we will take this exponent in the front of this log, and here we have x times of log 4 over 5 is equals to log of minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2. So now we move this log in the right hand side and we get finally our final answer. So which is x is equals to log of minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2 and its whole over log of 4 over 5. So this is the our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.